Shift down.
Down.
Down shift.
This is hilarious.
Rookies. Oh, I love this. I'm taking a video of this just because. It's alright, I'm actually laughing too. Hey, did you turn on the gas, David? David, did you turn on the gas?
I don't think I turned it off.
That's the third time today.
I didn't think I turned it off.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm not running that thing. I don't trust it.
Turn it off.
Hey, Fun Dip, that bee's nest is still up there, and it's still alive.
Yeah, just stay away from it.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, there's bees in and out.
Yeah, I can see them.
Yep.
They're your neighbors.
We're taking them out. We're evicting them tonight.
Deporting them.
That's only a certain kind of bees, and they don't live around here. I remember when
Bumblebees are an invasive species. Kill them all.
my dad used to grow up, and he was 5 miles from the border, and every day there'd be someone in his backyard. He'd give him tortillas, meat, and all that, and he'd be like,
Just a plain tortilla.
well, he would give them food and supplies so they could go on their journey.
Like, let them be in America. What's the big... Why not have more people in America? Overpopulation. Christmas, she's like, I can't believe they want to give everyone health care. And I was like, why wouldn't we give everyone health
Yeah, right? It's like,
care? Like, what?
what the heck?
I think they ran out of gas.
Already? Well, that's a good thing then.
You gotta walk it up the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh, now the neighbors can rest in peace.
R.I.P.
I'm not giving you a hug. We remember all the... No, stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Away. Away.
Displeased.
Away from me.
I know. I'll just circle. Are you still recording?
Nope. Yep. Nope. 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 What? You gotta sit here in disbelief?
I do not give you consent.
Well, I'll blur out your face then. That's all.
You gotta distort my voice too.
Not really.
Mhm.
Well, now I do, because you just said that. Thanks, bud. Thanks.
I think they...
Now they gotta go all the way back up the hill. Look at them go. Uh-oh. Oh, this is great. Isn't this great?
They gotta go up. Putting it on your YouTube channel?
No, I'm cutting out most of it. Just putting the good parts on. This is going to
Like
be...
Fun Dip's face.
Yes.
Cut that part out.
No, I said put it on. It's funny.
Okay, gunslinger. I think they're just gonna have to walk it. There they go.
There they walking it up. What are they doing? Oh, I think he's still trying.
Walk it up!
Dang it. That would have been a hope. He doesn't have any paddings on, that idiot. Where is your helmet? There it is.
That's illegal.
Yeah. Oh. You stop commentating. We don't need the peanut gallery.
Don't be rude.
I'm not trying to.
Step down from your chatty Cathy. Is that what it's called?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Whatever. Yeah. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing.
Make it.
Yes,
Not
it is.
gonna make it.
Yes, it will.
It's not gonna
It's gonna
make
make it. It's gonna make it. I promise.
If Liam-
Yes. Oh, he just did that. Liam, what did you do? You just did a wheelie. You almost went down the hill.
No, it's not me.
Dad, he gave it a little too much and really. It's okay. Liam's learning.
Liam's feeling it right